Let's look at the compare feature on the Deeper Signals platform. So I'm logged in as an admin and I'll click on the Analytics tab here. And in Insights, I have my dashboard with all of the diagnostics linked in my account, my competencies, my drivers, my values, and then I can select the different tools that I'm most interested in when it comes to making comparisons. So let's say I want to compare two users on the core drivers. So I'm clicking core drivers and then I click compare. So by turning on this compare feature, you're creating two separate columns of data with the same charts and graphs. So now I'm looking at everyone in my account that's completed the core drivers. It's the same on all of these charts and graphs, but I can filter each column to be very specific about who I want to compare. So when I click filter, I can search through everyone in my system, just the users that I've used for the development campaigns or the candidates that I've used for my recruitment campaigns. And then I can narrow it down by tags. So if I have two groups I want to compare, I might create tags for those two groups and then search for them here. I can also search for the teams that exist in my account, specific users, invite campaigns, or if your account is connected to an HRIS system, I can search by different demographic factors to narrow that down. So let's say I want to compare two users. I'll search for their name here, click show results, and now I can see that just this one user is being represented in these charts and graphs on the left side. To make sure I chose the right person, especially when you're selecting groups or tags, be sure to click on that number and you'll see the username and email. So maybe I want to compare this user Reese to a certain group. I'll click filter on the right here, select project managers, show results, make sure I have the right people in that group of 3. Now I can see how Reese compares to this group of project managers. So this could be really helpful if I'm thinking about selecting Reese to join this team, or maybe he's already been hired and I'm going to see how he fits in, how he's similar and different to help guide my coaching and feedback that I use for his onboarding. So really helpful to be able to filter by these new selections we have here, whether it's groups, whether it's demographic data. I can be more specific about narrowing down this group of users. And then I can also be more confident that the right people are in these groups and I know who I'm comparing. If I want to download any of these charts and graphs, I can do so individually, or I can click on this download all charts and have those files saved to easily paste into my presentations. So hopefully this helps you understand how to use the compare feature. And when you're using different assessments, we have this option available so that you can look across the different tools and make these comparisons.